I really love my job. When I found out I needed open heart surgery, I wondered if I'd ever work again or even if I'd get up in the morning. But Allegiant's heart surgeons and nurses were absolutely fantastic. It's really great to be healthy enough to do my job again. You know, I'm busy most of the time, and so my work days tend to be fairly long, although I do keep regular hours. But what I noticed was earlier part of this year, I tended to get tired in the evening. I'd go home and I'd find myself eating dinner and falling asleep, which is not normal for me because I always have a list of things to do and I'm always busy. You know, even when I'm relaxing, I'm thinking about the things I need to do. But here I find myself waking up. I fall asleep for half an hour. And that was going on for months. So as time went on, then I talked to my cardiologist, and I knew my condition was such that I wasn't going to be able to do the treadmill, and so he gave me a chemical type stress test, and then everything seemed to go smooth. Within a couple of days, I got a note to come in to see him. So I knew that something was wrong, and especially when he walked into the examining room. And so what ended up happening was he said, you need to go in for a cardiac cath. He said, we'll make arrangements for you to go to Allegiant's and get that done. And so Tuesday I saw him, Friday I was in for the cardiac cath. So the first thing out of his mouth was, we do not know why he's alive. He has to go in for open heart surgery. They said, well, it was Friday, so we have a couple more tests to do. On Monday, we'll finish off those tests, and you'll have surgery on Tuesday. So Tuesday, I went in for triple bypass surgery. Very interesting thing. So I came out of that. I did well. By Wednesday, and it's a little hazy, by Wednesday morning, I believe they had me up and walking around, which was amazing to me. I was climbing steps by Thursday, walking the floor, Thursday, Friday, and by Saturday I was going home. Totally amazing. I can't believe how quickly and how well that went, considering what was done. I'm a registered professional engineer. That's what I do for my living. I work for a company that does utility type engineering. So we design transmission lines, substations. My specialty is underground power systems. And so the kind of work I do supplies electricity to cities and buildings and neighborhoods and I work all across the country. I really enjoy my job. It's one of those things that you get a good feeling while you're doing. I think my job's important, and what's really, really, really nice is that I do enjoy it. When I found out I needed open heart surgery, I wondered if I'd ever work again or even if I'd get up in the morning. But Allegiant's surgeons and nurses were absolutely fantastic. I never felt alone. They were there when I needed them, and they're very supportive. It's really great to be healthy enough to do my job again.